Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my very first ever sketchbook tour. I drew most of this in 2017. I have a tendency to like throw away a lot of my drawings, so I'm just going to start documenting them here. And pretty much I'm just going to show you guys my sketches. Okay, so my first one is this one. I drew this one because I don't know, I was in the mindset of like a 70s superhero, and I never thought of like a name for it because I'm not good with names like at all. So this is the first one. I'm trying to make sure I get it in the shot because the way I had this tripod set up is trash, so this is the best I can do. This is my next one. I never finished this one actually. My side note, but a lot of these are gonna be unfinished because I don't know, when it comes to like personal work, I don't ever finish. Well, I finish sometimes, but I don't always finish like every single one. But anyway, so this year I'm really focusing on facial expressions. I was focusing on it last year, towards the end of last year, and I want to start drawing different facial expressions. It's gonna be like a little hat here, like a little what's those little hats people wear like in Paris? I don't know what it's called, but it's gonna be one of those hats. I was actually inspired by a photo from Instagram when I did this one. All right, and this is one of a couple. I actually saw this on Twitter, and this is also on my Instagram page. I have not finished it. I'm actually going to finish it within like the next couple days. Now when I did this one, I was actually experimenting, working on drawing hair because I want to get more detailed in like the strands of hair and pretty much how it looks and how it flows. So this is just like a practice piece to help me start drawing hair better. I'll zoom out. And the camera keeps falling. Hold on. Alright, and this is another one. This one actually was really popular like on my Instagram page. Like a lot of people, I got like a lot of likes on this one. Again, I was inspired by a photo from Instagram. These little notes here are like either it's the colors that I use or it's things that when I was done I was like, I need to work on this, and that. So yeah, she has a cap, freckles, eyebrows, and dreads. They're like orange and pink. Let's see. This was also a photo from Instagram. I follow a lot of like Instagram pages where it's like aesthetic wise, and I would just do that to help me practice like facial expressions and just drawing different facial types. And this one, the girl was like eating noodles. Again, I didn't finish it. Like there's a lot of stuff that still needs to be done with this one, but I'll finish it eventually. But I still like it. Okay, what is this? Oh, okay. So this one, I don't know, like one day I was just like, I want to draw a bald woman with like tattoos on her head because I think that's cool. Like when you have shaved heads and it's like colorful tattoos on there like flowers. I've seen that on Tumblr before and I just think it's like really cool. I also do like grills. Yes, it's not done. I'm also still gonna put tattoos on her body as well. This is another one when I was working on different facial features. I'm actually going to change this hair color. I'm not really into blonde hair. I'm probably going to do like jet black or brown. And this is just my Instagram handle. It's pretty much on all pictures. I don't give fashion on Instagram and Twitter. This is my with the space buns. I really like how her makeup came out on this one. It has pink inside of it because it was actually gray and pink hair, but towards the last minute I was like, I didn't really like it. It's on my Instagram as well if you want to check the before, and this is the after. And this is another one. I don't know, I just love Instagram brows. Like, if you haven't like noticed that from my art like so far, I just like thick eyebrows. I don't know, I just love Instagram brows. Also, these are notes to myself, like I need to fix when drawing, because I'm always trying to like fix and get better. This is a concept I came up with. It's like yin and yang. I never finished it because I was like, should I leave it bald? But nope, I'm gonna add hair. But I have no idea like what hairstyle. You know, I just thought of something. I know what I'm gonna do. So this is that. Okay, this needs to stop falling. It's getting irritating. This is another unfinished one. I have to add more hair. And the reason the hair is on the face is because actually the hair is pretty much covering her face on the side as well. But I really like the makeup in this picture. It was like yellow and red. It was like a strawberry lemonade smoothie or something. And overdrawn lips. I could also do a tutorial on like how I draw noses or lips or eyes or whatever you guys want to see. Alright, this is one of my fashion illustrations. I draw a lot of fashion illustrations because, I don't know, that's just my style. Just had on this pretty much red bodysuit, layers and drapes. This is another one. Okay, this one is from a girl that I follow on Instagram. Her name is Baby Snitchery. No, I follow her on Twitter. That's her name on Twitter. But I'm pretty sure you can find her. She's like really popular. But yeah, I was inspired from one of her pictures. Her pictures are always so colorful and so like interesting. So she's just really like, I don't know how can I say it? She's like really creative. Like if you're looking for a muse or somebody, like she has so many different looks. Like I would definitely recommend you guys follow her. I'll put it below if I said it too low or something. This was inspired from another one of her. It wasn't supposed to like be her, but this was inspired from a look that she did as well. It's supposed to have stickers on the face. I'm supposed to be clouds, but I'm still working on it. I have to finish that as well. As you guys know, I don't finish. I love tiny glasses. I don't know why. I just do. And again, with the Instagram brows and dramatic lashes. Oh yeah, pretty much all of my drawings I put a mole beside the mouth because I have a mole beside my mouth. And if I ever forget to write my signature, I always just put a mole beside the mouth. So that's a fun fact. This one I did with the 2 space buns, half up, half down. Thought it was really cool. I added way too much white liner, white dots in the eyelashes. I got carried away. It was also inspired by Baby Century. I just really liked how it looked. I loved the shapes in the face and different colors and the lines on the lips, dots. I just loved the entire look. There was so much detail in this look, down to the bamboo earrings. Like, I thought it was so cute. And the braid in the hair. That is another unfinished one. I don't really like, to be honest with you, I don't like this one at all. Like, and it's the sketch that I was doing. I don't keep my sketches in a sketchbook because the pad that I use, like, if you even lift them up, it's gonna rip out itself. I don't have like a definite sketchbook, but I bought one, so I'm gonna be doing one in an actual sketchbook this year. So this is pretty much the sketch that I was working on. This was me mapping out all the faces with the circles and the lines and everything. And this one I do not like. I don't like it. She look creepy. Oh, she like she smokes cigarettes. Like, I don't know. I just don't like this one. And this one is when I'm actually working on like portraits and trying to make it look more like actual people. This one I was inspired by this is actually supposed to be like Rihanna. It's like half of her Met Gala look, and this was just half of her everyday look. And I wrote notes to myself. I need to study shading, chart it out well, focus more on details. Because no ma'am. Another couple. It's also just I don't know, I just popped in my head one day. I was like, oh, pin up, and like a pin up style, bondage style woman. Like, I would actually want to paint this one day because I think it'll be like a really dope piece if I just put it more in detail, everything. Right. Oh, this is actually one I'm working on right now. Let's see if I finish it. But yeah, I saw this one from a girl on Twitter, because I'm like always on Twitter. And oops. Yeah, so it's pretty much like Valentine's Day eyes with like metallic lips, big hoop earrings, curls, and a hat. Pretty sure you all have probably seen her picture because it went viral. And this one is the last one. This is not all of the work that I did for 2017. This is just, I pretty much just grabbed some. This is not everything that I did last year. But again, I don't have a definite sketchbook, so it's pretty much all over the place. I need to get a filing cabinet. But yeah, this last one, just a fashion illustration I did. A woman. I like to exaggerate the legs because I think that just looks better. If you want me to do a tutorial on how I do the draping and the folding of the fabric, I can do it. Just leave a comment below. I hope this wasn't too dry because I'm kind of quiet. But you know what, I'm gonna show you what I have so far. This is my new sketchbook. I got this from TJ Maxx. Isn't this cute? Yes. Wow, just fell off. Okay. But yeah, isn't this cute? I got this from TJ Maxx. This was like $3.99, $4.99 or something like that. But yeah, this is the one that I have so far. And this is just like to start it off. I haven't gone into full detail with it yet. But yeah, this is just my sketches so far of the work that I've done. Please leave a like and a comment and subscribe. You can follow me on my social networks. My Twitter is I Don't Give a Fashion. My Instagram is I Don't Give a Fashion as well. IDONTGIVEAFASHION. Or you could follow me on my personal Twitter. I'm on there more. My personal Twitter is SAVIAIVAS. This is my name forward and backwards. Thank you for watching and have a great day.